So take a good look at before. A bit of water damage up on top. It's in pretty good shape. There's a couple dings right there. There's a couple dings, scratches right here. Overall, very nice piece. It's just really big. Top of the door needs to be addressed right here. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video so far, and I hope you subscribe after you're done watching this video. What you're watching right here is me taking off the hardware and getting the whole piece ready to sand down. Before I sanded the whole thing down, I did hit it with some general purpose cleaner, just give it a nice little thorough cleaning before I hit it with the sandpaper. In terms of sandpaper, what I used to sand down the entire piece, I used 120 grit, and I used a Ryobi sander that I got from Home Depot for $50. With that Ryobi sander, it did come with a little sample pack of sandpaper, so to say the least, it was a pretty good investment. My original plan with this whole TV stand was to just sand down the top and give it that nice wood finished look, but because this whole piece was made of particle board, I wasn't able to do that. So I ended up just sanding down the entire piece and making sure the top was very prepared for all of the high traffic that it was going to take. At this point in the video, I'm almost done sanding the whole piece down. It did take me quite a few nights out in the garage. I want to say around 4 or 5 nights out in the garage after work. And to say the least, it was pretty brutal. I lived in Michigan at the time of making this video, and I was doing this during the winter, so I was freezing my buns off. Hopefully you've liked what you've seen so far and are pretty excited to see what this thing looks like at the end. Because I had so much footage for this one project, I decided to break it up into 2 parts, so come back next week, or probably by the time you're watching this, you'll be able to check out the part 2. That will be linked down in the description box below. And what you're seeing here on screen, the purpose of all these pieces is to show you an idea of what my piece will look like in terms of color. This is a Beyond Paint blue-gray paint product that I'll be using on this piece. So check it out in part 2. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more furniture flips just like this one. Thanks a lot. Take care.